Hi, I'm Tom and you are watching the introduction to the FreeCAD BIM Interior Design Project course by FCB Lounge channel. In this course, I will teach you how to create simple bedroom interior design project. So we will learn how to create the 3D model. So we will create the walls, the windows, the doors, and the furnishings of the bedroom. And then we will proceed with creating the 2D documentation. So we will create the floor plan and elevations with all the needed annotations. The course is almost 3 hours long and it is divided into 11 lessons. You are watching the first one, the introduction to the course. The second one, we will go through the basic setup of the user interface of FreeCAD for our BIM work. In the third one, we will start to model the building elements of our project. So we will create walls, doors, windows, floor and ceiling. In the fourth part, we will start to create equipment of the room. So we will create some of the custom pieces of furniture like these panels or this makeup table. In the fifth part, we will finish equipping the bedroom with other pieces of furniture and we will use FreeCAD BIM library to load these pieces of furniture and use them in our project. In the sixth part, we will start to create the 2D documentation. So first we will create a floor plan drawing and place it on our sheet. And in the seventh part, we will add annotation to the floor plan like these leaders or dimensions. Then in the next part, we will create these elevation views. And in the ninth part, we will add again dimensions to these elevation views and also hatches like these ones. Then in the 10th part, we will place these elevations on sheets that we will create. In the last 11th part, I will show you how to export these sheets to PDF file format as our deliverables. So this is the course curriculum. Now, important thing is that I will be using FreeCAD 1.1 in this course. So this is the minimum recommended version for following the course. And the second important thing is that the course is intended for intermediate users. So I expect you to have basic understanding of FreeCAD BIM and FreeCAD draft workbenches. If you are a complete FreeCAD beginner, I first recommend you to watch my FreeCAD Draft beginner tutorial and FreeCAD BIM beginner tutorial. The links to these tutorials will be in the description box below and also they should be highlighted on your screen. Another important piece of information is that you should download the course material from FCB Lounge Ko-Fi shop. The link is in the description box below. These materials are available for free. You set the price yourself, so if you set it to 0, you can get it for free. And the course material contains the finished FreeCAD project file, then the finished PDF with sheets, then the annotation style presets that we will use in our project, then interior elevation marker symbol. It's this one that we will use in the project and also this view description marker symbol. And also a tech draw page template with the FCB Lounge tech draw page template that we will be using in the project. So you can get these course materials now. So this is it for the introduction to the interior design project course. And in the second lesson, I will show you my basic setup of FreeCAD for working on BIM projects. So let's get to it.